Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss how predictive analytics improve decision making in airport business. I'm Ho Sheng Yan, and this is my student ID card. Here is the table of contents. To begin, I'd like to introduce predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the use of data and modeling techniques to forecast future outcomes. It employs a variety of techniques to make these determinations, including the artificial intelligence, data mining, machine learning, modeling, and statistics. Let's delve deeper into these techniques. First, machine learning identifies patterns in data and improves its predictions over time. Statistical analysis and examine how different factors relate to each other. Data mining analyzes large data sets to discover the traits, while predictive modeling helps make forecasts by adjusting to new information. Together, these tools enhance our ability to predict the future events. Regarding the application of predictive analytics, it helps business improve the fraud detection, marketing, operation, and risk management. By using various methods, companies can quickly identify and prevent the criminal behavior and fraud. In marketing, it shows how customers might react and assist with cross-selling. Business also uses it to forecast the inventory needs, set the airline ticket prices, and estimate the hotel guest numbers. Additionally, credit scores evaluate the likelihood of an individual defaulting on payments, helping manage risk in insurance and collections.
Hi, I'm Ricky. This is my student ID card, and now I will present about the application of the predictive analytics of using in the airport management. First of all, is the threat detection is to identify the potential security threats by analyzing the patterns. For example, the passenger behavior, emergent threats, and also you're able to enhance the security measures and also allocate the resources accordingly. For example, the anomaly detection is also to monitor the transactions and also activities in airport environments by the integration of various data sources, and able to identify irregular patterns that may indicate fraud or operational issues. And for the improving operations, the passengers flow management can be predicted the passenger volumes and the bottlenecks. For example, they collect the samples from the distribution of each passenger's connection times to predict the passenger flow. And for the flight operation, you can forecast the delays, optimize gates assignments, and improve the scheduling to minimize disruptions. And third one would be the predictive maintenance using the IoT and sensor data to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance, reducing the downtime. And the fourth one, baggage handling, you can help to forecast the baggage volume by the strong correlation between the baggage flow and the airport passenger flow. And you can also optimize the market campaigns. First of all, is dynamic pricing. You can charge dynamically and add the price accordingly when using the adaptive predictive analytics. And you can ensure passengers get the best deal and maximize airlines' resources. And the second one, you can provide a customized service by basing on the patterns of the customer preference, frequent flyer data, and the browser behavior. And for reducing risk, using in the crisis management, you can anticipate and manage disruptions caused by extreme weather, technical failures, and emergency occurrence. And also, you can help to allocate the security resources effectively by analyzing the passenger flow data and historical security incidents. And the predictive models anticipate the peak passenger flows and potential security threats as well. So I'll pass to the next workmate to talk about the next part.
My name is Wong Sum, and this is my student ID card. I will be discussing the case analysis of Changi Airport. Changi Airport, the largest airport in Singapore, serves more than 100 airlines to 320 cities globally. By January 2025, it handled 61.6 million passengers, 116,000 tons of cargo, and 331,000 flights, showing significant growth. These are the air traffic statistics data. Now let me introduce some examples of how Changi Airport uses predictive analytics. First is the airport collaborative decision-making system. It accurately forecasts flight times and potential delays. These platforms improve future trends predictions, enabling customer forecast strategies, and better resource management by sharing flight information within 2 hours. Second is the customer service chatbot. They anticipate questions, provide flight information, and offer personalized recommendations like restaurant suggestions. They automate resource allocation by predicting passengers' flows and reducing wait times. First is the point of sale system. The POS system at Changi airports analyze passengers' buying hobbies to automate sales. Around 99.5% of store uses for personalized offers and key consumer category. Historical data predicts product demand, highlighting popular items. Retailers can adjust strategies using mobile device.
Hi, my name is Luke, and my Chinese name is Sun Kang, and here's my student ID card. So we have seen that predictive analytics and the AI have great potential to improve the airport management, but the question is this worthwhile the investment? Let's look at the pros. First, AI can enhance decision making by predicting the passenger flows and maintenance needs. For example, Heathrow Airport, it uses AI to optimize gate assignments and reduces the delays. And also, AI will offer cost savings by optimizing staff deployment and maintenance scheduling, like Changi Airport, Singapore, which uses AI to predict equipment failures and avoid costly repairs. Additionally, the AI will improve the customer experiences by anticipating delays and personalizing services. And although the initial cost is high, the long-term ROI is substantial, with savings from better efficiency and fewer disruptions. And earlier adoptions will also give a competitive advantage, which will help attract more passengers and airlines. However, there's also some cons, and first is that the initial investment can be significant, especially for some smaller airports, and also the integration into the existing systems can disrupt operations, such as the case of Los Angeles International Airport. And data quality and privacy issues is also critical as AI will rely on clean data and there are some potential risks regarding the passenger privacy, etc. And lastly, the airport can become over-reliant on technology, which will make them vulnerable to cyber attacks or system failures. So AI and predictive analytics will offer potential for improving the airport management, but this decision will align with the airport's strategic goals. For larger airports with higher passenger traffics or complex operations, it is often worthwhile the investment in the long run. But for some smaller ones, the decision may require careful consideration for current operational needs versus the scalability of AI solutions. So we are going to recommend to consider a phased investment approach, which starts with a pilot project to assess the tangible benefits before the full-scale adoption. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much, and that's the reference list.